Google Play Protect is a built-in security feature on Android devices that helps keep your phone safe by automatically scanning apps for harmful behavior. It checks apps before and after you install them, helping protect your device from malware, suspicious software, and other security threats. If you want to turn Google Play Protect on or off, the process only takes a few moments. Start by opening the Google Play Store app on your Android phone or tablet. Once you're on the main screen, tap your profile picture in the top right corner to open the account menu. From the menu, tap Play Protect. This page shows your device's security status and the date of the last security scan. If you'd like to manually check your installed apps, simply tap the Scan button. Google Play Protect will immediately scan the apps on your device and let you know if it finds anything that could be harmful. To change the Play Protect settings, tap the Settings gear icon in the top right corner of the Play Protect screen. If you want to enable Google Play Protect, turn on the Scan apps with Play Protect toggle. Once enabled, your phone will automatically scan installed apps in the background to help keep your device secure. This is the recommended setting for most Android users because it provides an extra layer of protection without requiring any additional effort. If you prefer to disable Google Play Protect, tap the same toggle to turn it off. A warning message will appear explaining that your device may become less secure. To continue, tap Turn off or disable if prompted. Depending on your phone's security settings, you'll also need to verify your identity by entering your screen lock password, PIN, pattern, or using your fingerprint before the change is confirmed. That's all there is to it. You can return to this menu anytime to re-enable Google Play Protect and keep your Android device protected with automatic app security scans.